हे व्हाट इज द ब्यूटी फैमिली, वेलकम टू माय चैनल, दिस इज ऑफिशियल है। तो मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक ब्रांड न्यू सीरीज लाया हूँ फॉर 3 कैटेगरीज ऑफ पीपल। कैटेगरी 1 पे आता है वो लोग जो वर्कआउट नहीं करते, मतलब जिनका एक्टिविटी लेवल पूरा 0 है। कैटेगरी 2 पे आता है वो लोग जो 2 से 3 दिन वर्कआउट करते हैं। एंड कैटेगरी 3 पे आता है वो लोग हु वर्कआउट फॉर 4 to 5 days maximum in a week. In this series, we will talk about calorie adjustment and full day diet plan for each of these categories during this lockdown due to this coronavirus situation. This video will help you to achieve your goal. अगर आपका गोल है फैट लॉस करना, या फिर आपका गोल है वेट गेन करना, या फिर आपका गोल है मेंटेन करना, एंड मैं पूरा डिटेल्स में बताने वाला हूँ स्टेप बाय स्टेप। एंड आई विल कैलकुलेट माई BMR टू सी हाउ मच कैलोरीज डू आई नीड। अगर मैं इन 3 कैटेगरी के अंदर पढ़ता हूँ तो आप अपना खुद का निकाल सकते हो। एंड वीडियो को अंत तक देखिए। एंड इफ यू आर न्यू इन दिस चैनल, हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन, एंड इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, हिट द लाइक बटन टू। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। टॉक अबाउट द पीपल हु कम्स अंडर द कैटेगरी 1, मतलब जो जॉब के लिए बाहर जाता है या फिर जिनका मैक्सिमम एक्टिविटी घर से बाहर है। देयर ओनली एक्टिविटी ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन इज टू गो फ्रॉम बाथरूम टू बेडरूम, बेडरूम टू बाथरूम, या फिर किचन टू बैल्कनी, बैल्कनी टू किचन, मतलब जिनका मैक्सिमम एक्टिविटी घर के अंदर ही हो रहा है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो पहले हम अपना BMR कैलकुलेट करेंगे। Now you can see that I have calculated my BMR. My BMR is 1813 calories. Now what will I do? I will simply multiply 1813 with 1.2. Then I will get 2180 of calories. This 2180 is my total maintenance calorie of a day. Okay? Now अगर मेरा गोल है weight loss करना इस लॉकडाउन में, तो what will I do? I will simply subtract 300 to 500 calories from my total maintenance calorie. Then I will get 1880 to 1680 of calories. Now अगर मेरा गोल है वेट गेन करना लॉकडाउन में, तो what will I do? I'll simply add 300 to 500 calories to my total maintenance calorie. Then I will get 2480 to 2680 of calories. So this is our calorie adjustment for weight loss, weight gain, and for maintain. Now how will we implement this in our diet? Let's see. So our total maintenance calorie, you can see that we have 2180. We will divide this number into 6 different meals. So we will get, in meal 1 is our breakfast. In meal 1 we will take oats meal. In oats meal we will take 70 grams of oats, 100 grams of yogurt or curd, and 1 spoon honey. So our macros becomes carb 47 grams, protein 11 grams, and fat 13 grams. Meal 2 is our snack 1. In this meal we will take peanut butter sandwich. In this meal we will take 2 slices of bread, whole wheat या फिर brown bread, try to avoid white bread, 2 spoon peanut butter, and 250 ml of milk. Skimmed होगा तो अच्छा होगा. So our macros becomes carb 60 grams, protein 20 grams, and fat 15 grams. Meal 3 is our lunch. In lunch we will take rajma chawal. We will take 100 grams of rajma, 145 grams of brown rice, 1 spoon olive oil or desi ghee, and mixed salad. Try to take at least 2 vegetables in your salad. So our macros becomes carb 33 grams, protein 24 grams, and fat 13 grams. Meal 4 is our snack 2. In snack 2 we will take 6 eggs, 3 egg whites, and 2 whole egg. Or if not available, or you can take 200 ml of milk, and then 1 banana and 20 grams of peanuts, almonds, cashew and walnut. जो भी available होगा कोई भी एक इनमें से एक ले लेना. So our macros becomes carbs 30 grams, protein 24 grams, and fat 14 grams. Meal 5 is our dinner. In dinner we will take dal roti. In dal roti we will take 2 rotis, 100 grams of dal. You can take any dal, green, yellow, mixed. टेस्ट रखने के लिए आप रोज मिक्स कर सकते हो. And 1 spoon of coconut oil. So our macros becomes carb 50 grams, protein 9 grams and fat 14 grams. Meal 6 is our bedtime snack. We will take 140 grams of paneer or 300 ml of milk and 20 grams of nuts. You can take any nuts, almond, peanuts, walnut, जो भी available होगा. So our macros becomes carb 28 grams, protein 25 grams and fat 15 grams. So you can see our total macros becomes protein 115 grams, carb 248 grams and fat 84 grams, which is very balanced if you want to maintain your diet. So for weight loss we are taking the maximum amount of calories, which is 1680 calories. We will divide this number into 65 meals. So firstly you will take, in early morning you will take 1 cup of green tea, okay? Then comes meal 1. In meal 1 we will take 2 egg whites and 1 whole egg. Then half of banana, 25 grams of oats, 50 grams of curd, 1 spoon cinnamon and 1 multivitamin. So our macros becomes carb 20 grams, protein 20 grams and fat 12 grams. Then comes meal 2. Meal 2 is our snack 1. So in snack 1 we will take 6 egg whites, then 1 apple or 1 orange, जो भी available होगा. So our macros becomes carb 14 grams, protein 24 grams, fat 0 grams. Then comes meal 3. We will take kidney beans and paneer salad. In this we will take 66 grams of rajma or kidney beans, 70 grams of paneer, 1 cucumber, 1 carrot, 2 tomatoes, 1 spoon of olive oil and 1 green lettuce. So our macros becomes carb 13 grams, protein 33 grams and fat 12 grams. Then comes our meal 4. Meal 4 is our snack 2. In snack 2 we will take 6 egg whites or you can take 150 grams of yogurt or curd. Then we will take 2 slices of bread. Any bread, you can take brown bread or whole wheat bread. Try to avoid, again you can try to avoid the white bread. Then you will take 2 scoops of peanut butter. So our macros becomes carb 24 grams, protein 17 grams and fat 13 grams. In meal 5, which is our dinner, we will take soya chunk salad. In this meal we will take 100 grams of soya chunks, then chickpeas, bell pepper, 1 green onion, half of lemon and 1 spoon coconut oil. So our macros becomes carb 33 grams, protein 52 grams and fat 13 grams. In meal 6, which is our bedtime snack, we will take 100 grams of paneer. If not available, you can take 300 ml of milk. Then you will take 20 grams of nuts. You can take any nuts, almond, peanuts या फिर walnut. So our macros becomes carb 18 grams, protein 20 grams and fat 14 grams. So our total macros becomes protein 170 grams, which is very good because you are losing your weight, and carb 120 grams and fat 64 grams. Now for weight gain, we are taking the maximum amount of calories, which is the 2680 calories. We'll divide 2680 into 6 different meals. So our meal number 1 is our breakfast. We'll take oats meal. So in oats meal we'll take 130 grams of oats, 100 grams of yogurt or curd and 1 spoon honey. So our macros becomes carb 66 grams, protein 15 grams and fat 14 grams. Meal 2 is our snack 1. In snack we will take peanut butter sandwich and milk. In this meal we will take 4 slices of bread, whole wheat या फिर brown bread, 2 spoon peanut butter, 250 ml of milk, skimmed होगा तो अच्छा होगा, and 1 spoon jam or honey. So our macros becomes carb 48 grams, protein 20 grams and fat 16 grams. Meal 3 is our lunch. In lunch we will take rajma chawal. In rajma chawal we will take 140 grams of rajma, 200 grams of brown rice and 1 spoon olive oil or desi ghee and mix salad. Again, you can take any salad, at least try to take 2 vegetables in your salad. So our macros becomes carb 46 grams, protein 30 grams and fat 15 grams. Meal 4 is our snack 2. In snack 2 we will take 3 egg whites and 2 whole egg. If not available, you can take 200 ml of milk. Then you will take 2.5 of banana. Then you will take 20 grams of peanuts, almonds या फिर cashew या फिर walnut, जो भी available होगा. So our macros becomes carb 58 grams, protein 13 grams and fat 15 grams. Meal 5 is our dinner. In dinner we will take dal roti. In dal roti we will take 2 rotis, 150 grams of dal. You can take any dal, again yellow, green या फिर mixed, and 1 spoon coconut oil. So our macros becomes carb 60 grams, protein 14 grams and fat 15 grams. Meal 6 is our before bed snack. Before bed snack we will take 200 grams of paneer. If not available, you can take 500 ml of milk and 20 grams of nuts. Again, you can take any kind of nut, almonds, peanuts, जो भी available होगा. So our macros becomes carb 40 grams, protein 36 grams and fat 16 grams. So our total macros you can see here, protein is 154 grams, which is very good. Carbs 314 grams, of course, because you are gaining weight, and fat is balanced to 90 grams. So this is our diet chart for weight gain. अभी as we all know that 3500 calories equals to 1 pound. तो अगर आप weight gain का चार्ट को डिटो फॉलो कर रहे हो एक हफ्ते के लिए, you can gain up to 5 to 6 pounds in a week. तो आप घर बैठे बैठे 5 से 6 पाउंड इंक्रीज कर सकते हो. पर याद रखना ये सिर्फ आपका वेट गेन होगा, कोई मसल गेन नहीं होगा, क्योंकि आप एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रहे हो. एंड यू तो एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रहे हो तो आपका ब्लड न्यूट्रिएंट्स को नहीं पहुंचा पा रहा आपके मसल पे, तो आप सिर्फ वेट गेन करोगे. एंड इफ़ यू आर फॉलोइंग द वेट लॉस चार्ट, यू कैन लूज अप टू 4 to 5 pounds in a week. आप घर बैठे बैठे 4 से 5 पाउंड घटा सकते हो और मेंटेन तो आप कर ही रहे हो. सो दिस इज माई कम्प्लीट डाइट प्लान फॉर दोज हु आर नॉट डूइंग वर्कआउट इन दिस लॉकडाउन. सो आप ट्राई करके देखिए, यू विल ऑलवेज गेट रिजल्ट. एंड फॉर मोर प्लान्स यू कैन ऑलवेज मेल मी. आई विल कीप द मेल ID in my description. तब तक के लिए स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.